Hi, in this video I will show you how you can apply a gradient color effect to text in Canva. I believe that this is probably one of the most requested features from Canva users that yet to be realized. So yeah, until today we still haven't got any native feature to add a gradient color effect to a piece of text in the platform, which is quite unfortunate. However, we can use a third-party tool or third-party app that allow us to apply a gradient effect to some text in our design. So let me show you how you can get this effect to your own document or to your own design. Now I'm going to add a new page, and of course the first thing that you have to prepare is the background color. Remember, gradient will have multiple colors, so you have to consider the background of the text, and you want to make sure that the text stays visible regardless of the multiple colors that it has. Anyway, I'm going to visit the apps menu, and then you have to type the search type gradient. That is the name of the tool that we are going to be using. And after that, you want to open type gradient and click open. This will allow access for the app to access your Canva account. Now this is the preview. We can change the text to be welcome to this video, and yeah, okay, you can modify the text, and also I'm going to change the font to be something else. I like the font Poppins. Unfortunately, we haven't seen many options in this app, but that's alright. I think some modern or popular fonts are still available, and also you can change the alignment or also the line height of the text, and you can also change the color. So I think for this one, I'm going to select maybe something like orange, and this one is going to be maybe yellow, and then this one is going to be closer to red. And of course, we have to adjust the direction of the color. So I think I don't like this color. I think I need to use something else. Right. Okay, it's fiery color, orange and yellow and red. Okay, I'm going to put it around here, I think, right? And when you are done, you can click add to design, and there you go. Let's make it bigger, and I'm going to put this text into the middle of the canvas. Now we have this text that has multiple gradient colors, and this is not being treated as a regular text. So if you try to change the text, you have to do it through this app. Not perfect, but that is the only option we have right now. Hopefully we will have a native gradient feature for text in the future. Anyway, that's how you can apply a gradient color to text in Canva.